Affiliate links. What are they and why are they important? So an affiliate link is basically a referral link. It's a way of introducing someone to a product or service that you approve of and that you actually use. Now, it's a real win-win because you're introducing someone to something that you think they would actually help them and benefit them, and it's something you use normally yourself, and then you get a kickback for that. So let's say, for example, Amazon. If someone asks what camera you film with, you can give them an affiliate link or an associate link within Amazon to direct them to the camera you film with. And then if they purchase that camera or anything else on Amazon, you get a kickback or a percentage of how much they spend. And that's basically it in a nutshell. It's referring someone to a website or referring someone to a product or service, and then you get a referral fee for introducing that customer. The way I see it, it's a complete win-win. I think sometimes people can feel a bit strange about referring someone or about introducing someone when they're actually getting a kickback for it. And I know some people even feel strange about clicking on affiliate links when they know someone's getting rewarded. But really it is a win-win, and there's nothing to lose by clicking that link and helping someone out with their affiliate fee. You're often even getting a discount by clicking on someone's affiliate link, because sites like to give introductory offers to new customers. So often within a affiliate offer, there'll be an extra 20% off or 10% off if you're a new customer. For example, a good one I've used over the past few years has been Airbnb. If you refer someone to Airbnb, they get £25 off, and you also get a £25 credit to use on any Airbnb properties. So there's quite a good incentive to use affiliate links and to suggest affiliate links, because it's a win for the person you're referring and it's a win for you. So with that in mind, what are the winners and losers? What should you be looking at, and how can you do it for your own channel? Well, firstly, I'd say an affiliate link needs to be within your niche or related to the videos that you're making. Now, there's no point if you run a makeup channel referring someone to credit cards. It just doesn't stack up. It needs to be something that you actually use and that you've shown people within your channel that you normally use. So for example, if you're a travel channel, that might work well with Airbnb or Booking.com, or a travel credit card that gives you points. Or if you're making travel vlogs, then ones I've used in the past have been Epidemic Sound or MusicBed or Licked, because that's where I get my music from for my videos. And so if other people want to make travel vlogs, well, they can use those sites to get music for their videos. And now that's a good example of a site that would give an incentive for someone coming through the referral link. If you go through the referral link in my descriptions, then the person gets a month free trial. And I get paid. I get the referral fee for that affiliate referral. Whether or not someone signs up and pays for months afterwards, doesn't matter. As long as they sign up for the free trial, you still get paid. So where can you find them? What affiliate programs will work well for your channel, and where can you actually sign up to them and become an affiliate partner? Well, one good way of actually finding them is to go onto other channels within your niche and see what links and what services are being recommended in that person's descriptions. So if you go into the description, you'll see they'll have a list of the affiliate partnerships that they have and the services they're recommending. Now that means automatically that they have an affiliate partnership with that service. So you can go onto their website, maybe you can click on the link, go onto that website, and then at the bottom, you'll most likely see right at the bottom, the affiliate partnership. And it's usually a link in there, the affiliate program or referral program that you can then apply to, and they'll probably ask for your YouTube channel details or your publication details, which just means where are people going to sign up from. So the reason they have that is because a lot of products and a lot of websites don't want to be partnershiped with just spammy websites that don't really look good for their brand image. So they'll just give you a once over and see, okay, this person is legit. we would welcome affiliate links coming back from them. You don't need to have a massive distribution for a lot of them. You don't need to have hundreds of thousands of followers, and you can get started with it straight away. I know people that have made affiliate fees from channels with less than 1,000 subscribers. So most websites will have at the bottom, you can just click a link and sign up for their affiliate partnership. If they don't, and someone in their YouTube description does have a partnership with them and it says, go sign up for Adobe Premiere Pro here or any other service, and there's still a little link there that they may have hidden behind a link shortener, well, it's likely that they're signed up through another third-party platform. And there's a bunch of them. There's Commission Junkie, Affiliate Window. These are all, and quite a few more. These are all websites that have a bunch of affiliate programs on them, and you can sign up through this third-party partner. So even if the website, like let's say you went to Amazon and you couldn't find the affiliate partnership, Amazon does make it quite easy, but that's just the example that came to my head. Let's say you go to the website and you can't, it's not very clear that if there's an affiliate program or not. Adobe comes to mind. There's not a clear affiliate program on Adobe, but you can sign up to Adobe's affiliate partnership through a third party. But you can go and sign up to these other third parties where they'll have a bunch of affiliate programs that you can even search through on their website and see what will work well for your channel. It's really about trial and error, figuring out which one works well with your audience and which you should actually focus on promoting within a video. So how should you actually go about it? Well, you'll see on most YouTube channels, they have a few affiliate links in every description. And they've probably or tried to nail it down to see which affiliate links work well, and then just narrowed it down to those few. Because I think if you have maybe 10 or 15 in there, that's too many. There's no point in having loads of links on there because people won't click them. You need to try and direct people towards the links you want them to click. If you have too many, it'll be choice overload and people won't click on any. But if you can narrow it down to just maybe 3 to 5, and they're the ones that gonna convert best for you, then you can put them in every one of your descriptions and you'll get passive income from those affiliate links. Because it doesn't matter. Let's say a few years down the line, a couple of people watch a video 1 month and those 2 people convert into affiliate sales. Well, you just made money off of 2 people watching those videos. It doesn't need to be thousands, doesn't need to be tens of thousands. It could just be just a few people in a well-defined niche video about a certain subject that will convert to affiliate sales. So if you can really figure it out and figure out what affiliate links work best for your videos, then it will be consistent long-term passive income. Now for my own channel, the ones that have worked well in the past have been the vlog music, so Epidemic Sound, Music Bed, Licked, the royalty-free music that anyone can go to and license. And it works well because you give them a free trial and then the person signs up and you get paid whether or not they click through and end up keeping that subscription later on. You get paid for the free trial. And the reason this works well is because it's specific to my niche. For example, Amazon for gear would work quite well as well because people were interested in, okay, what is this guy filming with? These are the cameras he's filming with. I'll go and click them. Okay, interesting. And Amazon works well because whether or not they buy something right then, it stores the cookie. So even if someone buys something later, I still get paid that affiliate fee. If I had a link to makeup's always my classic example, probably wouldn't convert as well. Next one for me that has been good has been Airbnb. And again, it's because I'm giving someone an incentive to sign up right then. You get £25 for free, and I get £25 for free once they have their first stay. It's something for nothing, and it's a win-win for both parties. Now you can also go for much higher ticket affiliate links as well, but for those higher ticket affiliate links, you need to get someone to actually make a bigger purchase, which makes sense, right? The company's going to reward you with more money if they're going to make more money from that customer. And the classic examples are credit cards. If you can introduce someone to a credit card or a bank account, which might actually be very beneficial for that person if you're showing them how to collect points, for example, well then you're going to get a big kickback from those credit card companies, upwards of $100 or £100 or even more per customer introduced. Similar to that is web hosting. So I know Bluehost have a great affiliate program where they will pay $100 per person that's being introduced to their web hosting platform, because they know once someone signs up for a website, then they're going to continually bill that hosting month after month for possibly years. So even though they're paying $100 for a new customer, they're going to make more than that in the long term. Now you've got to be careful about how often you push affiliate links, because each time you're pushing a product or service, unless it's something that's really linked to your content and really linked to your videos, let's say for example you were making Shopify tutorials, well obviously you can push the Shopify link because it's very linked. It has to be linked to your video content, otherwise it's just going to feel like another sponsorship. If you're just throwing it in there when it's completely unrelated, like, oh hey guys, let's stop this great vlog for a minute, go sign up for a credit card, it doesn't quite work and it's going to feel sponsored. So you kind of have to pick and choose your moments where you're going to give someone a call to action to go and sign up. But if it is a really good fit, then you should include in your video, go and sign up to this product or service, go and sign up to this website because you're going to get a great deal right now. You don't have to say it like that, but if it does really fit with your content, then you do have a good opportunity to give a call to action and to tell people to go and do it, because you're going to have a much higher sign up rate or a much higher click-through rate if you're doing a direct call to action. Even without that though, if you don't want to include loads of call to actions in that way in your videos, you can even just put the link in the description and you'll continually get interest and you'll continually get clicks on those further down the line. You can also then do that in your top comment, because it works even better to put it in your top comment than it does in the description. So if you have the link in the description, a call to action in the video, and then a link in the top comment, well, people are going to see that 3 times and maybe they're going to click through and sign up to whatever you're recommending. Especially if it's a win-win, especially if they get something for nothing, then it just makes sense. And that is it. I know there are whole channels that are based around affiliate marketing. There are whole websites that are based around affiliate marketing, and you can go into it further. The main thing you have to do is constantly analyze, or not constantly, but maybe every few months, analyze what affiliate links are people clicking, what signups are you actually getting, and how are you making money from the different affiliate services that you're promoting. Because if you always update the links and update the offers, then you'll be able to make passive income from those videos further down the line, especially if your video answers a certain question or a certain need. If someone types into Google, how can I create this? And you have a tutorial that explains it exactly and then says, here's a product I use to do it and it's going to save you tons of time, well, then that's a no-brainer. Someone will go and sign up for that because you've helped them, you've answered a need, and it's a direct click from how can I do it to this is how I actually do it. So if you can create content like that, that's evergreen and answers a specific need and search term, you're going to do pretty well with affiliate marketing. But even if your content isn't necessarily directly about the service you are promoting, you can still have the links anywhere, because why not? You still may as well have them in your upload defaults, you may as well have them in your descriptions, because someone might just be scrolling through and decide, oh yeah, okay, I did need to sign up for that. Right, that's it. I hope that helps.